Want to log out of Netflix on your smart TV but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Netflix on a TV. Now let's get started. Note that I'll be demonstrating using a Samsung Smart TV, but the Netflix TV app should work similarly on other brands of smart TVs. I'll also show you how to log out of your TV from the Netflix website on your computer or mobile device at the end of the video. To log out of Netflix on your smart TV, open the Netflix TV app to the home screen. Then hit the left arrow button on your remote. In the menu on the left, navigate all the way to the bottom. Then use the right arrow on your remote to choose Get Help. Click the middle button or OK to select this option. In the Help window, go all the way to the bottom of the menu on the left and select Sign Out. To confirm, select Yes. You will then be signed out of Netflix on your TV and can sign into another account if you like. If you aren't able to use these instructions, or even if you don't have access to the TV you had signed into Netflix on anymore, you can still remove your account from the TV on the Netflix website. Go to netflix.com on your computer or smartphone and log into your account. Then click your profile icon and select Account. Scroll down and select Manage Access and Devices. Next to the name of the TV you want to log out of Netflix from, click Sign Out. This will remove access to your Netflix account on that device. That's all it takes to log out of Netflix on a smart TV. For more helpful Netflix tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Netflix tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.